Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Sandia Spotter machine. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it will help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you have a damaged roller wheel and we have to replace it. Super simple. First, go ahead and remove the recovery tank. Flip the solution tank on its side like this. Take a 4mm Allen wrench and go ahead and remove this screw holding the wheel to the machine. Just like that, the wheel slides out. Now to replace it, get your new wheel and reverse the steps. Line up the wheel. Get that screw started. Take your Allen wrench and tighten it back down. Just like that, and it's the same for both sides, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.